Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. So in this video, we are going to talk about the problem B of Codeforces round 767, which is GCD arrays. So this was a quite simple question. Okay, so in which you have to just observe a single observation, and after that you will get the solution. So the question is that you are given with the numbers, sorry, which are in the range L to R. Okay, and you have to make the GCD of the numbers greater than 1. Okay, so the GCD should be greater than 1. Okay, so by doing some operations at most k times, so you have to tell that you can make the GCD greater than 1 or you can't by doing this operation. Fine. So this is the basically the problem. Now we have to write the output, the code for this. So let's understand this in the whiteboard, that what it is telling. So according to the problem, we are given with some L to R numbers. So the first observation is that between L to R, how many odd numbers are there and how many even numbers are there. So the thing that why we are calculating this, because the GCD of even numbers is always equal to, इवन नंबर्स का जीसीडी होता है 2 4 6 8, कोई भी इवन नंबर हो उनका जीसीडी हमेशा 2 तो होता ही है, इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 2, यू कैन से 2 तो होता ही है. तो हमें बेसिकली वी हैव टू मेक द जीसीडी ऑफ दिस ऑल द नंबर्स ग्रेटर देन 1, so we can make these all the numbers even numbers. Okay, so their GCD should also become greater than 1. If all the numbers will become even, then their GCD will become greater than or equal to 2, then it will automatically become greater than 1. So basically we have to make all the numbers even. Okay, this is the optimal solution. The operation which we can do is, here we have L plus 1, L plus 2, L plus 3 up to R, whatever is the R. So there are so basically you can find that if this is 1 2 3 4 5, if the first number and the last number means L and R both are odd numbers, the number of even numbers are basically R minus L plus 1 by 2, and odd numbers are 1 more than even numbers if L and R both are odd. If L and R both are even, like in this case, then the answer will be odd numbers are equal to L minus 1 plus 1 by 2, and even numbers are 1 more than the odd numbers. This is the first case, this is the second case. This is how we are finding even or odd numbers. And the third case is if the parity of both the numbers are not equal, means L is odd, R is even, or R is even, odd is odd. Then in both the case, the odd numbers and even numbers are equal and are equal to L minus 1 plus 1 by 2. This R minus L plus 1 is basically the number of integers in the array, the number of elements in the array. Okay, this is the problem. So now we have number of odd numbers and number of even numbers. So basically we have to convert these odd numbers into even numbers. How can we convert? We can just multiply an odd number with an even number, and by doing this we can simply get a even number, because multiplication of an odd number and even number is always an even number. So basically we need some k operations if we have k odd numbers. So we need odd numbers of operations. If we have one odd number, then we need only one operation to make it even. If we have n odd numbers, then we need n operations. So if odd numbers are less than equal to the k, means allowed number of operations, then the answer is yes, otherwise the answer is no. Okay, so for this we are so let's move towards the code part to understand this more clearly. This is my code. Here I have written that if L is equal to R, then if L is 1, then it is means it is not equal, means it is no, otherwise it is yes. Because if L and R are both are equal, then there is only one element in the array, so its GCD will also be the same element. And if that element is greater than one, then its GCD is also greater than one. So it is always yes. Otherwise, we have find the number of odd and even numbers. And if odd numbers are less than equal to k, then yes, otherwise no. This is a very simple code, which is a very simple problem. I hope you get it. If you have any doubt, you can comment down or you can join our telegram to ask the questions. I will like it.